Ever wonder what Safari is really saving about your online adventures? Well, unless you're in private browse mode, Safari automatically keeps a detailed record of your browse history, cache data, and those sneaky cookies. And guess what? You can delete it all anytime you want. But before you hit that delete button, know this. Clearing your data will log you out of most websites. Don't worry though, your autofill information stays put. Today I'm going to show you 3 essential ways to manage your Safari data like a pro. First off, let's do a complete digital detox. This is perfect if you want a fresh start or are troubleshooting a persistent browse issue. Open your settings app. Scroll all the way down until you see apps. Tap it. Now find Safari. You can either scroll or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Tap on it when you find it. Scroll down again and you'll see clear history and website data. Tap that. Here's where you choose your time frame: last hour, today and yesterday, or the ultimate, all history. Got multiple profiles set up, you can clear the history for all of them or just a specific one, like personal. And here's a neat trick. You can also choose to close all tabs that aren't in a tab group. This tidies up your browse space instantly. When you're ready, tap clear history and just like that, you're done. Your Safari is squeaky clean. Ever had a website act buggy or struggle to log in even when your password is correct? Often, the culprit is corrupt cookies or cached data. But what if you want to fix that without wiping your entire browse history? Good news, you can. Back in your Safari settings, scroll down and tap Advanced. Next, tap Website Data. If you have any data, you'll see a Remove All Website Data button at the very bottom. Tap on that and you can tap Remove Now. In this scenario, we don't have any data. Sometimes you just want to erase a specific website from your history, maybe to keep things tidy or for your privacy. Safari lets you do that with pinpoint accuracy. Open Safari and at the bottom of your screen tap the Show Bookmarks button. It looks like an open book. Then tap the History button, which looks like a clock. This will display all your recent browse. Now tap Edit in the bottom right corner. You can select individual websites you want to remove, just tap the red circle next to them. And now hit delete. And that's it. That specific website is now gone from your history, as if it were never there. Did you know you can create a custom ringtone on your iPhone? Check out this video for a full guide.